Picture it. You're up a ladder in Walthamstow, East London, with your hands full. Someone 3 streets over needs an electrician right now, and they've just tapped on your website. But it takes 10 seconds to load. They're already gone. Google's own data says that by 10 seconds in, the chances that they've bounced have jumped over 120%. And here's the new part. It's no longer just the customer who won't wait. The AI won't either. I'm Glen, founder of WebWeaver Nexus, an AI-ready web development agency here in London. Today, I'll show you why a slow website doesn't just lose customers, it can get your business quietly skipped by the AI tools that people now use to find a trusted local pro. Speed isn't a luxury anymore. It's your digital front door. Let me show you. Let's set the scene, because this has quietly changed. There have always been two visitors to your website. The first is the human, your customer. We've known for years that we humans can be impatient. Google found that as a page goes from 1 second to 3 seconds to load, the chance that someone leaves jumps by 32%. By 10 seconds, it's over 120%. But in 2026, there's a second visitor, the AI. When you ask ChatGPT or Perplexity to recommend a local skilled tradesperson, it doesn't read a saved copy of a web search. It goes and fetches real pages live in the moment, and it's checking lots of them at once. If your page is slow to respond in the browser, it doesn't sit there waiting. It moves on to the next one. So the question for your site is simple. When something impatient comes knocking, human or machine, are you quick enough to answer? Let me show you using Google's own free tool, PageSpeed Insights. You can run this on any site, including yours, for nothing. This first one is a lean, well-built site, the kind of thing that we make. Look, it's in the green. The main content shows up in under 2.5 seconds. Google has 3 core scores which it cares about. They're called Core Web Vitals, and in plain terms, they are how fast the main thing appears, how quickly the page reacts when you tap on it, and whether things jump around as it loads. Fast to appear, quick to respond, steady on screen, green, green, green. Now, here's a bloated website build. And to be clear, this is a throwaway template that I made to demonstrate, not anyone's real business. Same basic job. Tell people who you are and how to call you, but this one is stuffed with heavy images, a dozen plugins, and scripts loading from all over. Watch the numbers go red. The main content takes far longer to appear. On a phone, on a normal signal, which is exactly how your customer is often looking, this is the 10-second front door that we started with. Same job. One opens the second that you knock. The other makes everyone wait, both the customer and the AI, deciding who to recommend. Now, I want to be straight with you, because this corner of the internet is full of people overselling. 1. The customer. This is the money. A Google-backed study by Deloitte found that improving mobile speed by just 1/10 of a second lifted conversions by over 8%. And for inquiry-style sites, closest to a skilled trade business, the people who actually filled in the contact form went up by more than 20%, 1/10 of a second. 2. Getting found. Google uses speed as one of the signals when it ranks web pages. Not the biggest factor, but more of a tiebreaker when two sites are otherwise equal. And the AI answers that people get
They're largely built from pages that Google already rates, so fast keeps you in the running. 3. And this is the new one, so I'll be careful how I say it. An AI search firm called Profound looked at around 700,000 pages, and the ones that kept timing out for AI search crawlers got cited roughly 18 times less often, sometimes never. That's reported by them, not gospel, but the logic is sound. It's not a penalty for being slow. It's more that if the AI can't load you in time, you're simply not in the room. None of that is a trick. It's just building it properly. So, why does this matter to you specifically? If you're a skilled tradesperson, it's the simplest thing in the world. The job goes to whoever answers first. A fast site means that when a neighbor's phone is asked for a reliable local pro, you load instantly, and you get the call instead of the guy or girl down the road. If you're a solopreneur, speed is quiet revenue. Every tenth of a second that you shave off can result in measurably more inquiries from the exact same web traffic. No extra ad spend, no extra hustle. And if you're a creative, here's the trap. A heavy, beautiful site can be the slow one. A gorgeous portfolio that takes 8 seconds to load could be a portfolio that nobody waits to see. Fast and beautiful, you can have both. You just have to build for it.
Here's the honest truth. Most websites are slow for reasons that you can't see from the outside, and reasons you can't easily fix with a plugin. It's in how the thing is built. That's exactly what we handle. The waitlist for our Tier 1 foundation builds is open. Sites engineered to be fast from the ground up, so that they open instantly for the customer and for the AI. And if you want to know how your current site is doing right now, that's where we start. Book a discovery and audit, a call to understand your business, then a proper look at your real speed and core web vitals. And you'll walk away with a plain English PDF roadmap showing exactly what's slowing you down and what to fix first. The link is in the description below. We handle the speed, you handle the trade. If this was useful, subscribe. Next in the series, we look at the waitlist itself. Why getting in early on the AI native web actually matters for your business. I'm Glen. I'll see you in the next one.